Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you find support for Twitter. In order to find support for Twitter, you need to follow these simple steps. So first thing, if you're able to access your account, you could go ahead and open a Twitter app and tap on the profile initials from the top left corner. Scroll down in the menu bar and you could see Help Center right in the menu bar. You could then go ahead and make sure to open this up, then tap on the search bar in order to go ahead and look for the solutions or maybe any sort of issue that you're facing. You could type in the prompt and this way you'll be able to contact support. And for some user, if you're unable to access your account, you could always go ahead and open up your browser, type in Twitter support or just type in X support. And here you'll be provided with a link. You could go to help.x.com and this is basically where it's going to take you, and then you could go ahead and do the same thing, and that is how you'll be able to find support for Twitter. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.